All right, hello. Let's just take a look at the website, justusboston.com, and what we built here and how it might be able to help some folks find their way around or find things to do or what have you. So, pretty straightforward URL, justusboston.com. Easy to remember. We've got it up there on the YouTube channel as well. And we put out a basic WordPress site. One thing about it is it's very fast. It's very slick. It doesn't have a lot of extra junk and nonsense on it, so it works very quickly, mobile and desktop. You go to the main page here, we've got one tab, keeping it very simple, and there's a drop down. So you see we've got all kinds of things that are relevant to Boston. Biking, that's another YouTube channel, tells you how to bike around and the good ways to go and how to be safe. We've got our YouTube channel, Celts, Bees, Socks, Concerts at the Garden, House of Blues, Big Night Live, all of that. You could click through to all of that. The top one there, just so you can see what it is a calendar of events. It shows you everything that's happening in Boston every single day. All the big events. You can get tickets if you're looking to do something. It's all available for you right there. So justusboston.com. Simple to use, easy to use. We do put up posts, Nutcracker, the Arboretum, various things that we're doing or we have going on to help people maybe learn more or figure out some little hacks on how to have fun while you're out and about in the city. Take advantage of the time, the weather, the nature, etc. justusboston.com.